Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening.
Maricela is here. So if you don't know me, I'm the jewelry designer of Made in Art Romantic Jewelry and a fashion business coach for eBooks for Fashion. So today is day 13 of my free challenge, 21 sales for 21 days. So make sure, if you have not joined yet my free challenge, to enroll in the challenge, to sign in the challenge from the link above this video. So you will receive every single day one email about my proven strategy of 21 sales that you can make in 21 days. So it's a proven strategy because I've tried myself with my jewelry business Made in Art and with my fashion consulting business eBooks for Fashion. Also, make sure to join it because you will have the chance to win a free spot at my new online program called Fashion for Profit that will come out very soon on 26th of September. So I really would like to choose you for my free spot to take part to my online program because you will definitely benefit of everything I will teach you in my new online program about how to make consistent sales in your fashion business. Consistent sales every month, of course. So let's dive in today's topic, which is for day 13 of my free challenge, 21 sales for 21 days. The free topic today, sorry, not the free topic, but the topic for today is to create a Pinterest board or a Polivore board that you can share with your audience or with your dream customers. What I want you to do in the Pinterest board. Let's say, for example, that you are a fashion designer. I want to create a Pinterest board or a Polivore board with all of your bestsellers and how you can style, and with the way that you can style your products, your fashion collection, your women's wear collection. Why that? Because I want you to show to your customers and your dream customers how they can use your fashion products, your fashion collection. So in that way, they will be more interested to buy your products. The same thing you can do if you are a fashion service business. Let's say, for example, that you are an image consultant. So what I want you to do, I want you to try to create a Polivore board or again, a Pinterest board that you can do with the way that you like, the way that you would like to style your dream customers. So make sure that you present something cool and new in your boards and you create style sets and then you can share with your audiences, with your dream customers or your customers so they can benefit with your style ideas. So the goal is to share your boards for both of you if you are a fashion service business or you are a fashion product business. The goal is to share your Pinterest boards or your Polivore boards on other Pinterest groups or board groups, of course, or in other Polivore groups. So you can expand your brand, brand or personal brand, and you can get the chance to get in contact with more dream customers for your fashion business. So try this technique, it's really good. You can also share in everything you make on all of your social media and keep track of your progress. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You can just comment the video below and I would be more than happy to help you. So bye for now. See you tomorrow in the next video. And as usual, keep track of all of your progress because I'm sure you can make 21 sales in 21 days. Bye for now.